Still stuck working all day and your balance barely moves? Subscribe to A Leverage Hub to learn AI systems that save time and make money. SFX, Digital Glitch. That low balance alert? Yeah, I've been there too. Subscribe to A Leverage Hub and watch how this AI shortcut fixes it. Most beginners try to do everything manually. That's the slow way. Subscribe to A Leverage Hub and see the smarter system. Here's the secret stack the pros use. One AI dashboard that runs your content. Subscribe to AI Leverage Hub. SFX, System Activation Click. This AI instantly generates viral content ideas for you. No brainstorming needed. Subscribe to AI Leverage Hub. SFX Pop. You can even run it from a laptop anywhere. That's real freedom. Subscribe to A Leverage Hub. Next, the AI writes the full script automatically, minutes instead of hours. Subscribe to AI Leverage Hub. SFX, Typing Speed. It even designs your thumbnails and visuals instantly. Subscribe to A Leverage Hub, SFX Pop. Then the AI builds your video timeline automatically. Editing becomes simple. Subscribe to AI Leverage Hub. One click, and your content publishes everywhere. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. Subscribe to A Leverage Hub. SFX, Whoosh. Now watch the analytics climb as your system works. Subscribe to A Leverage Hub. New subscriber notifications start popping in. Momentum begins. Subscribe to A Leverage Hub. SFX, Pop. Your AI also schedules posts automatically. Content keeps flowing daily. Subscribe to AI Leverage Hub. Now imagine relaxing while AI keeps producing content. Subscribe to AI Leverage Hub. One idea becomes dozens of videos and posts. That's leverage. Subscribe to A Leverage Hub. Your AI even finds trending topics automatically. You never run out of ideas. Subscribe to AI Leverage Hub. And yes, that can turn into real income streams online. Subscribe to AI Leverage Hub, SFX Cha-Ching. If you want AI systems that work while you sleep, subscribe to AI Leverage Hub and start building your automation stack today. SFX, System Activated.